Hello Hacktubers, in this video I'm gonna show you 5 cheap gadgets that you can buy on eBay for under $1. In description below I will put links from all gadgets. Let's start with this tiny double-side USB LED light that costs 80 cents at eBay, and this small gadget can be useful when you need light near your computer. You can plug on your wall charger or power bank. Number 2 is USB sound card for 79 cents. What? 79 cents? And this gadget, believe me, works great. Microphone is okay and earphones sound okay. Next gadget is this new 2-in-1 charging and data transfer cable. From one side is standard male USB connector and other side is lighting and micro USB connector, so you can charge your iPhone and Android device with one cable. What again? And this costs, sorry guys, $1. It's not 79 cents. Number 4 is this cheap 80 cents LED flashlight that is compact and waterproof. The last gadget is really useful and you must have it. It's a micro USB card reader 2.0. It's easy as you can see. Just plug to your device and voila, you have extra storage on your smartphone or tablet. Or in smart case, you can back up your phone without connecting to the computer. I hope you like the gadgets. All the links are below. Thanks for watching and subscribe.